You're gonna tell me it's not working. That's the flow. Okay, right here we need to dig the ditch out, yes. Here, the culvert, you put the new culvert in, it's gonna be great. He doesn't want it to go here, you gotta dig it deeper. You got more flooding coming in from the adjacent property. Most of this is from the adjacent property. Again, here. Not much flow here. If there's a culvert, it's coming across the road. Oh, I just got soakered. God damn it. Yes, we've got a nice flow here. Going down. It's coming across again from the other property because everything makes its way to the lake. So what's happening is the ditch we have isn't doing nothing here, and won't because the land's high. The land's all higher here, so it's not going to do anything. Here's the low point. So what needs to be done is a good culvert needs to be put here. Heavy duty. And sorry, Steve, I don't know what you have to do here to deal with it, but that's where the water's going to end up. It's all coming from the adjacent property. All this property is bleeding down to here. You want to build this up, you need to dig this down. It just needs to be dug down. Here's the issue right here. It's moving good here. It's flowing out the way it's supposed to. The road's nice and dry. I'm walking, I'm not wet. I never got wet walking up here. Still flowing nicely. No problem whatsoever. Again, it's all bleeding down. It's going in the ditch here where it's supposed to. It's holding it. It's not out in the road. Over here it is. They need a culvert to put it down into his basin. It's got a basin that never gets wet because there's no culvert through here. That's the end of the story.